Hello traders, here with you from Quality FX Trading, and congratulations to those who traded with us this week and took profit on pound dollar and also two other assets which we have forecasted in the weekly forecast, and also we analyzed the pound dollar in the middle of the week, and we have emphasized that is going to break this last week's low, and it did so. So congratulations to those people who took the trade with us, and don't forget to hit the like button, and also leave us comments so we know that you traded with us, and I want to know your feedback, and this is going to help other people to find our content, and it may be useful for them as well. So here the daily chart on the pound dollar, you can see the price, it went down during the week and it broke the last week low. Just quickly let me go to the 1 hour chart and show you the price action on the last 4 or 5 days during this week. You can see the price after releasing the CPI data. It broke the structure to the downside after this bullish manipulation to the upside. We got the sell setup here in the lower time frame, and this was the entry. As we are releasing different short videos and we are telling you where to enter and what is going to happen. I hope you are following those short videos as well. And this was the weekly fair value gap, which initially during the week I was expecting this price is going to go there for manipulation, but it didn't reach to this weekly fair value gap. And anyhow, in the lower time frame, we got the sell setup before the CPI data, as I explained in the last video. If you didn't watch that video, you can watch it through the above link now, and see what we discussed in that session. And after that, I was telling you that this is going to break the last week low, and you can see the price came down on Wednesday, and this was the price action on Thursday, and the price was just dragging to the downside. And for the other two things also, USA500 was there, which price did exactly what we discussed during the weekly forecast. So don't miss the next week's weekly forecast so you can trade with us. Of course, I cannot be right all the time, but as I told you, the thing is that my goal in this channel is to teach you how to correctly find the trade setup and how to correctly uh, trade and see the different levels which I'm highlighting to you as point of interest, and you can see what kind of reaction you are getting, and based on that you can trade. So in this way, I can see that most of the time we will be right and we don't lose money, as we know where to enter, because we are not just entering to the trade for the sake of trading and being in the trade. We are trading when it is the right time and when we see the right reaction. And if there is a loss, it's gonna be a manageable loss, which can be returned as a bigger profit in the next trade. So here in the USA500, just quickly you can see before CPI it reached to this daily order block. If you remember, just let me switch to the daily chart quickly, and this was the daily chart. And before the CPI data, we said initially during the week we are getting this bullish manipulation, and same thing happened. We reached to this daily manipulation, daily order block after this daily manipulation, and then price rejected from this order block to the downside, and we broke last week's low, and we are going to going down, and we will see for the next week price action. And for the crude oil, lastly, I explained for the crude oil that initially during the week we got some bullishness, and that was the price action we got. Oil was actually doing not a big thing this week, so initially price went to the upside, and then it just came down and didn't do anything special. It didn't break this high and it didn't break this low. So we have to see what is going to happen by next week and which liquidity is going to be taken first, which we will discuss it next week in the weekly uh, forecast video, which is going to be released on Sunday. Hopefully, I may uh, review and give you some forecast for this asset as well. So please don't forget to like the video and also leave us a comment, because I really want to know the feedback of my subscribers and anyone who is watching this video, and this is going to help for the future videos and what kind of content you like. And I want to know who is trading with us, and if any one of you is getting profit out of the trade ideas I'm giving you. And also I want to see what is the learning path and how you are learning the material I'm discussing. If you have any difficulty, raise your question in the comment. So I want this kind of interaction from my subscribers and those people who are watching the video. If you are not subscriber yet, please hit the subscribe button, and let's make this community useful. And I hope I can be as a help for you to grow your trading career. That's my purpose. First of all, I'm here to teach you the correct way of trading, and I want to take your trading into the next level. Of course, by time, you need to learn first, and also you can, for those people who are new, so you have to learn, and then you can take our trade ideas, and slowly you can start trading with us. So thank you very much for watching, and talk to you next week.